Good morning, all you farm files. Doc Pierce here, and it is a Saturday morning, like day 3 on the farm. Just thought I'd give you the last of the tour of the property. I'm I guess I'm east of the corral, the horse corral over there. You can see the house right there. There's the north pasture. There's not my land with all the cows on it. It's pretty cool though. My rented truck alarm went off by accident yesterday and it really upset all the cows. They all started mooing. So what I'm gonna do is take you down to the south pasture, the hayfield, which is right down this road, and hopefully not kill myself doing it one-handed, but we'll see here. So if the phone goes flying, it means I had to take my hand off of it. Whoa, and here we go, folks. You can see the property's not flat. There's a pretty good hill right here. I showed you the top of the woods. I'll show you the creek, which is on the far side of this pasture. All right, so here we go. And hay was just cut off here a week or two ago, so this will be harvested for hay probably. I don't know how to graze yet or how to manage it, so we'll see. Let's go around to the right. How much gas I have, so can't go too far. Yeah, I'm not sure where the property line is from here. I think it goes down past those trees to the road. Oh yeah, we can't get to the creek. We've got to go through there to get to the creek. All right, let's see what we got here. Oops. How does this work? Oh, there it is. Come on. Bingo. We'll just say this pause in the action is to build tension for the next scene. Doc flying into the creek with the new ATV. All right. And we're off again. Well, there's a property marker. I'm not really sure how it works. You can see that's where I was up above on the other video looking down. It was up that hill. And there is the creek. goes year round. So this is July and it's still going strong. I heard in the winter it can really crank through there after a storm. It'll knock the road out up above from being passable. Woo! Thick brush here, thick brush. Have to check myself for ticks after this. Yep, there are ticks. So there's the creek going up that way. Well, let's see if I can get through here. Yeehaw! Have to practice that yeehaw. There we go. There's a good view of the creek. And my land goes just a little bit beyond the other shore over there, not too far. I guess there's a cave that the water comes out of, a spring that's just up the way a little bit. Ooh, I don't know what that nest is. There's a big old nest up there. Right. Oop. Boy, the creek is inviting. It's warm out here. It's probably 85, close to 90. Probably 85. It's still 10 o'clock in the morning. Back to neutral and shut this gate, and I think I'm going to shut off on the video. Gives you a pretty good idea where we're at now. That's the whole property. I guess I could take you on the other side of the creek. Maybe we'll do that on another video just for fun. God bless you guys. Thanks so much for the support. Man, you don't know how much it means to me to have all those thumbs up and likes. Gets a little daunting out here, so your prayers are welcome. And God bless you all. Doc Pierce signing out.